So usually these valleys will leak and cause the water to back up just like the bottom part. But this one also has a tile that's cracked that wasn't really fixed all the way. So let's see what we got here. So now that we took this valley apart, there was a tile in there that was cracked that was repaired before, but then, you know, it was glued and the glue came out, and they never fixed the whole thing. So like, it's hard to see here, but let's see if I move out of the way to get a good view of it. But here's what it looks like. I mean, from the beginning, this thing was bad. It was in bad shape. It had a broken tile that was just caulked. But again, see, this thing is clogged, so water's probably pushing underneath. And now, look at that. That's all plywood, and it's all, look at that. See how mushy that is? The paper's all gone. So we gotta pull the whole thing apart and redo it. And you gotta go from top to bottom. We're gonna wanna replace these wood sticks, which are basically the battens, new paper. Usually we put a new channel because once you take it apart, it could get damaged. Like, here's another thing too. See how this one is like nailed right here into the channel? So that's a hole. So usually what you want to do is you want to put the nail here and kind of bend it over to hold it. You know, this one could cause a leak. So yeah, it's gonna have to get redone. It would have been better off if they redid it when they found the damage from the broken tile, because now, you know, you're probably gonna well, most likely you're gonna have to redo the plywood because it looks like it's rotted, and who knows how much more damage there is in there. So if you do it early on, it'll save you some money